MB3 Network.
As I stopped the tears from rolling, I think it was for the better. Though I'm the one that held her, kept her within the sweater. Though we're young, I think I'm never going to forget her. She's the only one I let in, and now I regret her. Whatever, I try to act like I don't care, but truthfully, straight through my heart, there's a tear. Where she used to be holding it together, but now she's gone, it's gonna fall apart in weather. She weathered my heart, yeah. She weathered my heart, yeah. Her mind changes like the weather. We're breaking up and we're together. Weather. She weathered my heart, yeah. She weathered my heart. Oh, her mind changes like the weather. We're breaking up and we're together. Weather. She weathered my heart. Then it feels like I encountered a tornado. I was at the top of the world, now I'm at the bottom of the barrel. Let go, I gotta do. Let go. Me and you held my heart so roughly. Then you tell me you don't trust me, but you never really tried to. Even though I supplied you with good loving, you're still fussing, cussing. I gotta let it go, even though it hurts me. Oh, she weathered my heart, yeah. She weathered my heart.
MB3 Network.